just standing in a fairly high Tai Chi stance. Knees are soft. And as we journey together, for those of you that are in the Wednesday class, that spreading the force or fusing with the force, I liked that word, connecting and joining with the force. So right now, gravity is our force. So I want you to sense the bottom of your feet and just imagine your feet spreading out on top of the earth and joining with the earth. Letting the earth hold you and cradle you. You can relax onto the earth. You can trust that it will hold you. And you can soften your relationship with the gravitational force and the pressure under your feet. And now imagine that you are immersed in this gentle but thick, viscous substance of energy all around your body. So feel it resting on your skin and under your armpits, between your fingers. And surrounding your legs. And around the skin of your neck. And you just rest on this as it embraces you. Your chin lightly resting on this palpable energy. And now let's go inside the body and see your body inside as an empty vessel. And begin with your feet. Look around inside your feet. See the space. And imagine that space filling with a hydraulic feeling, but light and buoyant. And it rises up through the lower legs and up through the inside of your upper legs and into your quad, continuing to rise up through your trunk and opening your spine. So you can see a little bit of daylight of space between each vertebrae as it works itself up. You may feel that you're standing up a little more, that's fine. And if your body begins to sway, that's okay too. All the way up through the neck and out the arms, as though your arms now are so buoyant that they want to float. They want to move, and allow them to do so. Swirl them in front of you, the back of the hands coming towards each other, fingers down. And there's more deep in the earth, and you draw the fingers in towards you, drawing it up through the feet and the rest of your body, rising up just a touch more. And now the space between your chest and your hands, place your awareness there and let it inflate. Rest your elbows down on that earth that you're allowing to hold you. And feel as your body is being embraced and held by this energy outside of you and the energy inside of you is buoyant and expanding, and the energy outside of you is embracing and touching and supporting. And in that place, you can release more tension. And imagine that your whole self is expanding outward into the space of the room around you. As though you're joining that space and fusing with it. And at the same time, it comes to you, embraces and supports and holds you. And now the sky gently rests on your head and you support the sky. And you feel the gentle weight of the sky all the way down to your feet and underneath the earth. If you have saliva accumulating, swallow it, follow it down to the stomach. Now we'll release, let the arms settle down as though they're settling tea leaves to the bottom of the glass. And now place your awareness in the space between your hands and first sense that space expanding. And then your hands follow the expansion at your own pace. First it presses on the hands, and then the forearms, and the upper arms, and into your chest and the front of your body. And then you release and feel the molecules becoming closer together between your hands, more dense. And you're resting your hands on that force. And then awareness in the space. Now as that space expands, your arms are opening. But imagine that you're drawing in all this marvelous healing energy into your body, drawing it in with the expansion, just like one would draw air into the lungs. And then as you release, and your mind goes to the density between your hands, imagine that you're now filling more of the space around you, your body expressing energy outward. So as the space opens and expands, you draw energy in through the arms into the core of your body, up the legs to the dantian. And then as you release and your awareness is in the density, that magnetic reversal of polarity between your hands, imagine that you're sort of expressing your energy outward as far as your mind will allow. And now we'll do the same with commencement form. Now the relationship of space is between the tops of your feet and the bottoms of your hands. Imagine that space expanding, floating your arms and your body. Drawing energy into your body. And then as you release, truly release, you don't have to control it. And express your marvelous, beautiful energy outward into the world. Expanding the space between the tops of your feet and the hands. And drawing energy in through your tips of your fingers into the center of your body. And as you release, it's like a sigh. And your energy expresses outward. And imagine a ring around your qua opening, and it floats your hands. And then around your waist, opening, and it continues to float your hands. And now that ring is around your shoulders, and it floats your hands. Your whole body floating inside this energy bubble. You can release into it. And then like a funnel at the top of your head, it flows into your body. And as it does, it's plunging out the negative, heavy energy and filling you with positive, buoyant energy. And one more time. The ring around your qua expands and floats your hands. And then the ring around the waist, it floats your arms. And then around your shoulders, releases your shoulders. So your shoulders can sink down in a relaxed state and your arms float. Now you're buoyant in this energy bubble. And through the top of your head, like a funnel. You're filling and releasing, simultaneously releasing any remnants that are hanging on of heavy energy, and filling with this purifying, high-frequency energy that has infinite potential. Filling your body. All the way down to your feet. And then when you're there, we resume our original position. Letting your muscles hang. Your arms dangling at the side. And your body in a perfect state of emptiness from within and feeling the outside energy touching your skin and holding you. The sky resting on your head. You receive it and support it. And you're allowing the earth to hold you, spreading the force of gravity through the bottoms of your feet, dissipating it. Remember this place. You can return here anytime you need. Calm. Empty. Supported. And purified. And when you're ready, you can come out of that and gather chi one last time in this beautiful, calm, joyful state, and let it just bathe over you like a waterfall in a warm summer day.